Salutations, folk. You're here for another challenge video. So not ready for this. Alright, well, this one is not going to be a fun one. As you probably saw in the title. We're doing, yep. I'm drinking banana pepper juice. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So down for this. Been always wanting to do this. I don't know, I kind of just thought of it. It's pretty spicy. It smells pretty, like, you can see all of the chunks in there. It's pretty intimidating. I'm afraid, guys. Ooh. I do love my banana peppers. I don't know if it's safe to drink all of this. Alright, I think I'm gonna shotgun it. Woo. I'm gonna die. Oh shit. Almost did it. I'm crying. Holy. Oh, that was such a bad idea, but a good idea. Oh, it's getting nasty. Like, it was going down my throat, and then it started just burning. I guess it's because there's like vinegar and all the pepper. Yeah, there's vinegar. Oh, I'm crying like a motherfucker. I'd like to say I did it. I feel like I did it. Tell me in the comments if you think I did it or not. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Big smile.